Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, I'm Alicia, lover of makeup and glam rock. The votes are in. Thank you all who participated. Every Saturday I will be posting 2 products in my Instagram story, and you all will have a chance to vote which one is your favorite. Also, keep on watching to find out how you can get featured in next week's video. Just wanted to remind you to give this video a thumbs up. And now let's talk about the products. Also, I'm not sure if this is too soon to ask, but how do you guys still feel about going to my Instagram and voting, or should I move the poll over here to YouTube for all of you guys? Let me know in the comments. I am highly interested because I know not too many of you use Instagram. I don't know, we'll see. I'm not too sure why I've been thinking about that, but I've been thinking about it. For now, I think I'll just keep going on Instagram because it's fun and you can still see the pictures of the products, whereas the YouTube polls, it's just the name of it. So you guys might have to Google it and see what product it is. But anyways, we'll see. Let's get to the video. First one up is Nila True Soft Conditioner.
Ooh la la.
This one is a 3.4 ounce, basically the travel size. The main one you could purchase is the 10 ounces, and then they have a liter size that is 33.8 ounces. So on marianila.com, that's where you could purchase the 10 ounce one. And then I believe they distribute to Cosmoprof, which is professionals only. That's where you can get the travel size one and the liter size. So the 10 ounce one is $28 and should last you about 12 months. It is cruelty free, paraben free, and sulfate free. Also, it is vegan. Very nice. So, what is it? It is a detangling conditioner to make your natural dry hair soft again, and to moisturize it, reduce the frizz, and protect you from the static electricity that's going on around the world onto your hair. Yeah. It also has Color Guard Complex to protect your color from UV radiation and free radicals. So what it has inside is argan oil, fatty acids, and antioxidants to moisturize and strengthen your hair. It has Spinosa kernel oil, olive fruit oil, and oleifera seed oil, and the scent of it is vanilla, rose, and jasmine. Yeah, it smells good. Let me open the bottle up a little bit better, get a better whiff of it. Interesting. I'm not sure if it's just me or if it smells a little bit like baby wipes.
It's interesting.
Now to use it, when you're in the shower, go ahead and use the shampoo if you have the one connected to that. It would be awesome. So go ahead and just pour it in your hair. I'm talking about the shampoo. And then wash, rinse out. And then this one, sometimes I just like to do the conditioner from mid-lengths to ends. This one, it doesn't really explain. Basically, just go ahead and put it in your hair after you wash. Leave in there for 1 to 2 minutes. And then rinse.
And that's it.
Now for the next one. This one's a big one. We got the Tresemme. Ooh.
La 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 la.
This one is 20 ounces. Woo. Heavy. This is Tresemme Full Fiber Volume Conditioner. If you go to Tresemme.com, it actually sends you to different places like CVS and Target. You could find it at a Rite Aid, Sam's Club, Bed Bath & Beyond, the store that's connected with Bed Bath & Beyond, Harmon Face Values, and then even possibly Rite Aid. This one I got at my local CVS store. So it's pretty good. The price of it goes from $4.99 up to $6.99, maybe even up to $8, but usually I see the $4.99 around. It says it is approved by PETA and can be recycled at USA and Canada only. Well, that's what it says back here. Pretty cool logo. I don't really see the cruelty-free logo on it though, but if PETA approves it, then yeah. I also can't find the expiration date. There's these weird numbers on the bottom. I'm not sure if it's just a code, but I would say about a year or two, but this is pretty big, so it might take a while. On the website it does say that it is for fine hair, but on the bottom I see nothing, which is why I picked it up, because I have coarse hair. It just says volume, instant lift and body, so I'm sure it can be used for all hair types. Enhance your flat hair with this volume salon quality conditioner with the ultimate volume system. Fairly new, I believe, to their Pro collection.
Very nice.
It does have collagen and peptide complex for a lightweight hydration. Also infused with enhanced grip to help lift, of course, and give body. And this part is very funny, but Tresemme does say that it can be zhuzhed up all day. Yes, it can. It has limonene, linalool, oat peptide, collagen amino acids, hexylcinnamol, and fragrance. The fragrance, doesn't have much to describe it, but yeah, like a regular shampoo. Like as if you're in a salon. Maybe like one of those Fantastic Sams or something, and you could just smell. Yeah, it's pretty good aroma. Now this one's pretty straightforward. Oh, you don't have a nose. All you have to do is, after you use the shampoo, go ahead and put this on your hair for the conditioner. Don't leave it on there for any kind of minutes. I mean, if you want to, that's fine, but really they just said go ahead and put in and then rinse out right away. Seriously, where is my nose? Oh. Ooh, hello. This filter is kind of fun. Again, what I do is just use it from mid to ends, and I probably put like probably a dime size amount, because if I put too much, then my hair feels a little bit too oily, and yeah, me no likey. So I just try to put a little bit, go ahead, rub it in my hair, and then rinse out. Again, that's for me. I know everybody's different. Do as you like. Now for the results. Look at the different size. It's so funny. Anyways. And the winner is Tresemme, 100%. Congratulations, Tresemme. But of course you are the winner. It's fairly easy to see why. It is easier to get, mostly at all stores, wherever you go, CVS, whatever. Just walk to your corner, local Rite Aid, and it's right there. And it's a pretty good deal. I see why it won. Maria Nila, of course, I know it is fairly new. Not too many people know about it, but it's, she, I believe Maria, is getting her name out there, starting out with the pros. So let me know which one was your favorite in the comments. Tell me whether it was Tresemme or if it was Maria Nila. Have you tried Maria Nila? Let me know down there, the comments below. Go ahead, comment. And then you can get featured in next week's video. Woo woo, woo woo, dance party. Anyways, so we do have a feature this week from last week's video. Go and check that out, by the way. It was Sephora against Lancome. Yes, Lancome. This one comes from Teresa Ann. She says, I have always been a fan of Sephora brand makeup. Yeah, I'm very surprised that a lot of people use the Sephora makeup. The price range for them is pretty good, and they are not bad products. A lot of people use their skincare. They do have a few hair care as well, but mostly the makeup collection, big. Lots and lots of good selection. You got lip pencils, even travel size lip pencils. They even have their own blenders. They have everything. So in case you're on a budget, Sephora collection is your hero. Alright, well that's it. That's the end of the video. It's kind of sad. It's a little short one this week. Yeah, no. Anyways, I'll see you guys next. These fire engines. My goodness. See you guys next week. Keep on loving makeup and keep on rocking. Yeah. Okay, bye.